Hi everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. I'll be guiding you through how to make duet collaborations on StarMaker in today's tutorial episode. Go to StarMaker application and sign into your account if you are not. Search through the list of the songs you'd like to join for a collaboration, or you can just tap on the microphone button and tap on Duet. You'll see the list of the songs that you can join and collaborate with celebrities, recommended lists, hot and new. You can select songs of your choice and tap on Join. Now on the next page, you can tap on the Start button once you are ready in order to duet with a certain person. Your parts of the duets will be highlighted in blue as you can see in the display. You can try out multiple filters by tapping on filters and beautify yourself. Set a timer for your collaboration as well. Select from the masks if you'd like to add any kind of a mask on your collab. Once you're ready, tap on Start and go on with your collaboration and enjoy your duet singing. Wait for your turn. You'll know since it will pop out in blue. Once you're done with your singing, you'll be automatically redirected to the next page, or you can just press the stop button after you're done and tap on the tick mark. Describe your video, add effects to your song if you want, and after you're done, tap on Post in order to post a collaboration duet on StarMaker. How to make video on StarMaker. Start by tapping open StarMaker application on your device. Once you're in, tap on the microphone icon at the bottom of the screen. Choose a karaoke to sing and record your video on. Tap on Sing in order to sing the song. Tap on the camera button. Choose either you want to hook, solo or duet. You can face the camera towards the front as well. Now tap on Start and record your video along with your song. How to post a status on StarMaker application. From your ad list, tap open StarMaker. After you're in, tap on the plus icon located at the upper right corner of the screen. This is where you can post your status. Simply type in whatever your status is. If you want to share your location, then tap on Share Your Location. Allow the app to access to the location by tapping on Only Allow while using the app, or Deny. If you want to tag someone, then tap on the @ button and tag anyone that you like. Use hashtags to your status. Search for them. If you want to post any kind of a picture from your gallery, then tap on the gallery button and import any picture you'd like. You can choose a background by tapping on AA icon for your status. If you want to add music or video to your story, then tap on this video button and record any kind of a video you'd like. After you're done typing in your status, simply tap on the Send button and go to your profile icon which says Me at the bottom right. Go through your profile and you'll be able to see the status that you just shared. How to add friends on StarMaker. To add friends on StarMaker, first go to your StarMaker application and sign into it. From your home screen, go to your profile page. Tap on the Me icon located at the bottom right corner. As soon as you reach to your profile page, tap on the plus icon located at the upper left. You can allow StarMaker to access your location and recommend nearby friends to you as well. To do so, tap Find Nearby Friends. Allow access for StarMaker to your GPS by tapping on Allow. Now, in order to add friends, you can search your Facebook friends by tapping on Facebook Friends and simply tap on the plus button at the right corner like this. You can tap on Contacts Friends and allow StarMaker to access to your contact by tapping on OK. And to add a person, tap on the plus button at the right corner of each contact. Your contact who doesn't have StarMaker account yet can be invited to StarMaker. To do so, simply tap on Invite at the right corner of the contact's name. To invite them, tap on Invite, just like that, and the link will be sent to the contact you want to send the invitation. Simply send the message, and in this way you can invite any friends of yours to StarMaker. Or you can simply follow people from these suggestions lists. Tap on the plus button in order to add them to your friend list. How to save StarMaker videos in your phone gallery. In order to do so, you'll need to download the StarMaker videos via an external website or an app. To download StarMaker videos in your phone gallery, you'll need to go and download an app first. Go to your Play Store and search for StarMaker Downloader. Tap on the app that says Downloader for StarMaker and install the application on your device. Tap on the install button to download. Once you've downloaded the app, tap it open. Allow the app to save files by tapping on OK. Allow access to photos, medias, and files on your device by tapping on Allow. Now, go to your StarMaker application, tap it on, make sure you're signed into your account, and find any video you want to download. After you find the video you want to download, tap on the share button at the bottom of the screen, copy the link of the video by tapping on copy link. Once the link has been copied, go back to the app that you just downloaded, paste the link in the box right here, and once you do that, tap on download. You can see that the video that I just selected has appeared right here in the display, and it is already downloaded in your device. Simply go and check your gallery from your phone, and there you go. That's the video I was trying to download. It's pretty easy and quick to do. How to adjust pitch on StarMaker. Start by typing open StarMaker application and sign into your account if you are not. Once you are in the home screen of StarMaker, the first thing you'll need to do in order to adjust the pitch is that you'll need to sing a song first. In order to sing a song, tap on the sing button at the bottom of the screen and choose one of the karaoke you want to perform on. After you've selected a song, simply tap on the sing button in order to sing a new karaoke. Now what you can do is choose between the option whether you would like to hook, solo, or duet, and tap on start. You can stop for a while before beginning and simply tap on this button you see in the middle. Once you do that, you can add effects to your song. Simply go to the pitch in order to adjust the pitch. Now let me tell you why would you need to use the pitch option on StarMaker. There are a couple of songs out there in StarMaker which is very difficult to some of the singers out there to sing since everyone has their own pitch. So you can simply adjust the pitch by either decreasing it or increasing it. If you want to sing the particular song in the lower pitch, then tap on the minus and adjust the pitch according to your need. After you do that, go back and tap on the record button and start singing your karaoke. Now after you have recorded your karaoke, simply tap on the tick mark at the bottom right and upload your song on karaoke with an adjusted pitch according to your want. How to broadcast on StarMaker. In order to broadcast on StarMaker, go open your StarMaker application first. Make sure to sign into your account if you are not. Once you reach the home screen of StarMaker, tap on the party icon at the bottom of the screen. In this page, there are different tabs out there. At the top, solo, live, multi-guest, and ranking. In order to broadcast on StarMaker, choose the live option. Here's the list of the people that are live broadcasting at the moment. If you want to scroll through the live broadcast, then you can select the tab at the top, Global, Hot, Following, and History. To be able to broadcast on StarMaker, tap on the live button at the upper right. You can see it right here at the top right corner. Simply tap on live and you'll end up in this page right here. You can go ahead and type in the title for your live streaming. If you want high definition live, then enable this button right here and you can beautify your live stream by choosing from the menu at the bottom. If you want to apply any filters for your live broadcast, go and tap on the filters button at the bottom right and choose between the filters that are displayed. You can increase or decrease the intensity of the filters by dragging the small white dot. After you're done and ready for live broadcasting, go and tap on Go Live. And that is how it is done. To end the live broadcast, tap on the power button at the upper right and from the pop-up, tap on Confirm. And your live has come to an end. How to extract and import on StarMaker. In order to extract and export videos on StarMaker, the first thing you'll need to do is download an application on your device. go to your Play Store and in the search box type in StarMaker Downloader and tap on this app right here and download it on your device. Once you install the application, go to StarMaker application and tap it open. Select any karaoke that you want to download. Let me go to my profile and select one of these songs in order to show it to you. Let me tap on this song right here. Now, once the song opens, go ahead at the bottom of the screen and tap on this share button right here and an expanded menu will appear. Tap on copy link at the bottom of the screen. Now go back to the StarMaker downloader. Tap on OK to allow permission to save file. Allow access for StarMaker downloader to your photos, medias, and files by tapping on allow. Once you do that, your link will be automatically pasted in the search box. Simply tap on download, wait for a few seconds, and tap on download from the pop-up. And you have successfully downloaded a video on StarMaker. Go to your phone gallery and you'll be able to find the song saved in your gallery. How to delete your StarMaker account. Now let's get started. In order to delete your StarMaker account, first go to your StarMaker application and tap it open. Sign into your account, and once you're in, go to the Me button at the bottom right corner and simply copy your ID from your StarMaker profile. You can write the ID down in a piece of paper or you can take a screenshot of your profile. The reason we're doing this right now is you'll need it during the deletion process. Now, from your profile, tap on the Settings button in the upper right corner and then scroll all the way down and tap on Customer Service Center. Go to Feedback from this page and then go to Account Profile or Message option. Go to Account and tap on the very first option that says Delete My Account. Now, what you'll need to do is you'll need to fill in the form below and send it to the customer service. A feature that allows users to delete their account will be added soon on StarMaker. It is not available right now. So what you can do is you can simply provide your information for now. Fill in everything that it asks, answer all the questions. Now you'll need to enter your login ID of your account. That was the main reason we took this screenshot of our profile. Simply type in the ID and go to the next field. Type in a reason why you would want to delete your account. You can type in any region that matches yours, and then after you do that, tap on the plus button at the bottom that says screenshot of your profile. You'll need to attach your screenshot of your profile in this field. Go and choose your screenshot from your camera roll and tap on done at the upper right. Once you do that, go ahead and read the informations down below. It says that if your account level is above 30, you'll need to provide extra 2 latest recharge receipts. Once you delete your account, you won't be able to restore back again. After you do that, simply tap on the send button at the bottom of the screen and you'll hear from StarMaker soon. That is the only way you can delete your StarMaker account or try to delete your StarMaker account till date, since there is no option within the app which helps you delete your account easier. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.